Tonight we're going to change some vacuum bags. These are both 100% and then some full. I had to cut some branches off the Christmas tree and there was a load of pine needles on the floor. I started with the Oreck, and when that filled up I moved to the Proteam, and when that filled up it's time to make the video. So we'll start with the Oreck. I have two new bags here. These are both correct bags from the manufacturer, which cost a bit more, but I'm happy to buy as long as they continue to be available. And the size of these bags is like, there's no comparison. The size of the bag and the Proteam vacuum is absolutely abysmal. These fill up real quick, whereas the Oreck bag lasts months and months and months. I like to put the date on these things of when I installed them, so I'm going to go ahead and notate the dates with no pencil that I have here. Okay, I don't have any pencils down here at the moment. Well, we'll just say I should be able to remember that I changed it on the first month of the year. It's 4th or 5th today, January. Alright, so this bag is literally full to the spout. That's kind of ridiculous. This is probably going to spill all over the place. Yep, it's spilling all over the place. It's also extremely heavy. Completely full all the way through. And we're getting some stuff falling out of this here. I like to usually take compressed air to this bag and blow it out, but it's too cold today. I'm not doing that. But it does get a little bit of dust in here, because the problem is the filtration on these is not the best, not necessarily because of the way the bag is designed, but because it's pushing the air. Right, so when you push air into here or up the tube, any leakage is going to come out. Whereas on a design like this, you're sucking the air all the way through the system and through the bag, so if there's any leakages, all worst thing that's going to happen is air will just come in. Whereas this will push the air out. So the design is not flawless, but I still like it very much. Alright, so we got a new bag here. Go ahead and put this in. These bags are also a lot cheaper than the Proteam bags, which is concerning considering the size difference. Okay, that's on there. And it's installed. Go ahead and turn this on to make sure it fills up with the air. Yep, we're all good there. I just checked to make sure it wasn't leaking, and it's not leaking. Even on low, it does an excellent job. Okay, now we'll move to the Proteam vacuum. Oh, jeez. Well, I would say that that's full. Good grief. Great. This is abysmal. Wow. Okay. Well, at least it packs the dirt in there pretty good. So this bag I put in here 11/16, and I noticed a couple weeks ago that it was starting to get full. So it lasts me, oh, granted I don't use this vacuum exclusively, I actually have quite a few that I use, but it lasts me about a month and a half in just basic household use. So I can't imagine how often you'd have to change this in commercial use. Probably every couple days. I just don't understand why the bag is so small. So this, it's full, you know, the whole thing is full, but there's just no comparison in the size. The Oreck probably can hold 3 times as much dirt. Now I want to brush all those pine needles out of here so they don't get stuck in the middle, because they're all stuck in the seal here. Oh boy. Alright, there's still 2, and they're all now down in there. So, okay, we're going to have to get a third vacuum going here to clean out the inside of that. We'll go ahead and go with this Hoover wind tunnel vacuum. Okay, apparently the hose is clogged, so we got to get through to that as well. There's 2 pine needles stuck in this seal, which is going to annoy me, so I'll just go ahead and get these out now. There's one of them. Oh, there's actually 3. 2, 3. Okay, so that's all the pine needles out of here. Almost. There's a few more in there. Jeez, this is abysmal. So now the hose is, well, obviously it's blocked, as you can see in this picture here. Jeez. Let's try. I don't know how far in the blockage goes. I think it only goes a few inches based on the way this is not retracting. Wow, there's a lot of stinking pine needle stuck in there. I think it's clear now. We'll be able to tell as soon as we turn it on. Okay, we got a new bag here. I usually put the tape, but I don't have any pencils down here apparently. This is the bag switch. Okay. This is a little bit easier to change than the Oreck. Alright, let's power this on and see what it sounds like. And we'll clean up this and the Oreck with the hose. And then we'll get up all these pine needles with the Oreck, otherwise the stinking bag will be full of this before we're done with the video again. Yep, that's good. Okay, so that's that. Two completely full bags and one mess on the floor. Okay, the vacuums have new bags and are ready to go back in service.